Hey, welcome back here, Barr Run Forge on. Thanks for joining. Just a quick mail time. Got some things in the mail. This is all the way from Australia. This is from Luke Graham. Thank you, Luke. I actually won a giveaway that he was putting on, and he was doing some bottle openers, and I won that, and he shipped this all the way over from Australia. And Luke's doing really great. He does a lot of woodworking and leatherworking, and he does blacksmithing and just all kind of stuff. And so he's making these out of blacksmithing. And what he did is, this was a bottle opener that had looked like a deer head, and you actually use it, this way and pop it off like that. So I appreciate it. Thank you, Luke. Appreciate the winnings. I'm gonna put it here with the rest of my stuff. I got some other stuff up here for winnings, and keep up the good work, Luke. I got this from in the mail. He says it's been a little while ago. I haven't been out in the shop because of I've just been busy with regular work, so I'm way behind on videos. And I got this a while back too. I'm just now opening it. This is from Barr Run Forge. Well, they sent me some other stuff. Appreciate that. They got a really nice sticker there, Barr Run Forge. I like that. That's nice. They sent me 2 of those. And then they got 2 of these White North Forge from Alberta. That's cool. Thank you. Appreciate that. Get that on my board. Oops. Oh. Yep. Didn't realize that was falling down. So, oops, let me set that up here where y'all can see. All right. Barr Run Forge. Put that right along the side here. Go back in. And White North Forge. Put that right underneath. I'll put these extra ones away. Got some extras. I might do something about this. Apparently painted board doesn't stick well. That was my fault. I should have used steel. And the last one I got already opened is from Weld.com, and they sent us a ton of stickers. I don't even. They got this all kind of little things. Just welding. This is from the CK Torch. It does for TIG welding. Those caps. I actually have one of these caps. I don't know how you say that. I don't know if it's Comex. I don't know how you pronounce that. Anyway, they're welding caps, and I've had one for several years now. Still use it, and but it's all up in. All my welding supplies are up in the car right now. Otherwise, I put some stickers on it. I'm finishing up my welding course that I started beginning of 2020 and got interrupted halfway through because of wonderful COVID. And then they didn't have a class, enough students to make an evening class, and they do now. So I'm just going in there on 2 nights a week to finish up. But here's some more from CK. Here's one from Weld.com. Different ones from Weld.com and different ones from Weld.com. Yeah, they sent a bunch of these. Oh, that's cool. That's called Women in Welding, which that's really cool. I watch Barbie the Welder, and she's really good. Little happy face welded out. Here's a Hillco product. They got, of course, if you ever get a chance, go watch Weld.com. They got a lot of stuff. One of their instructors goes by the nickname Man Cub, so that's his. And then they always talk about the camera guy on the show. So he's got his own sticker. Another Hillco. It says coupon for Weld.com, welding out, cutting pieces. And I got some other ones here. A little one for Weld Zone. And another larger one for CK. And actually the TIG welder I'm looking at buying, which I haven't bought yet, but it comes with a CK flexible torch, which is a good torch for TIG welding. And so if I ever get that, it'll be another video. Appreciate Weld.com, and also from Luke out in Australia, and from Troy and Eli at Barr Run Forge. And got them up here, and I'm probably going to put some other ones up eventually. But that's it for now. Appreciate it, and y'all have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.